Hey guys, in this video I will be reviewing the M4 band. Well, not to be confused with the Mi Band 4. This is the cheapest band that you can get on the market right now. This smart band has a lot of mixed reactions, so I thought to check it for myself. So here is my experience with this thing. So first of all, this is what the box looks like. You will get some specifications on the sides and the back side. Well, inside the box you will first get a user manual guide, the strap for the device itself, and a charging cable. And in case you are wondering, this is how you have to connect it with the charger. So to pair this with your device, first of all you will need to install the app called fitpro. You will have to go to the app and then go to this set option. Then you will have to press on this bind device option, and then you will find your band. It might take some time. Now after that you have to select it, and it will take some time to bind with your device. Now after that, when it is completely connected, you will see this icon on your band. The time and the date will update automatically. You can change the time format from 12-hour to 24-hour just by holding the button. Now as we are at it, let's talk about the app. The app first time might require you to open an account. The app is more of a health checker app. The app will get you some options like heart rate and health status. On the set option, you will find the options to control your band like find, remote shutter button. You can also customize your push notifications. The app, to be honest, doesn't give you much options for this band. The band from the looks is completely identical to the Mi Band 4, and it doesn't actually feel cheap at hand either. The band does not have a touchscreen, so everything has to be done with this single button. The display quality is quite nice, but the brightness is very low. And using this band on the daylight is almost impossible, but indoors it is actually quite nice. Now let's talk about the features. Coming on to the options, you will first find state, which shows your steps and how many kilometers you walked and how many calories you burned. Then is the blood pressure monitor, which I will talk about later. And then we have this sports function where you can select run, skip or sit up if you are doing any of them. From the message option you can read your messages. In the more option you will get the remote shutter button, which only works with the app, and the looking for option, and then you will get the themes. This thing has only 3 themes, but they look quite nice, and there is actually no option to add more themes on this thing. Now let's get to the real experience. The step counter on this thing is not so accurate, but not completely wrong either. I would say it's 90% right. The blood pressure monitor is nothing but a gimmick. It is basically just 2 LEDs randomly flashing, and it has the ultimate ability to give you the blood pressure of ghosts too. It will basically just give you auto-generated numbers. This does not have any IP rating, but it actually held up quite well with the day-to-day water splashes and stuff, but I don't think I am going to do swimming with this thing. The battery can last up to 2 to 4 days depending on your usage. So coming on to the conclusions, should you buy this or not? Well, firstly, if you want a fitness band and don't have the money to buy the real stuff, then yes, this is a good option. The only downside is the battery. I think 2 days is a little too less for a watch, but if you want the real stuff and features, then don't waste your money on this thing. This is nowhere near as good as the original one. So this is the review for the M4 band, and I'll see you guys in the next video.